In this video, we will introduce Python's dictionaries get method. The Python dictionaries get method will return the value for the given key if it is present in the dictionary. If not, then it will return non-value. The syntax for the get method is a dictionary dict then dot get. So with a key is the key name of the item you want to return the value from the dictionary, and default you can also set another value, for example not found, a string for the default value. So the value to be returned if the key is not found and the default value is null. So the return will return the value of the item with the specified key on the default value. And the difference between Python's dictionary get method and dict keys method. So we can also access the values in the dictionary by using the dict key. On the other hand, we know that in the get method, if the specified key is not present in the dictionary, it will return a default value null. But similarly, when we use dict keys method, if the key is not present in the dictionary, an interpreter will be raised a key error. So we will show all this in Python's IDE. So first we create a dictionary with 3 key value pairs. Then we can use the get one of the key called Wilson after the dictionary using the dot. So the value 32 associated with key Wilson is got. And you can also set a default parameter for in which the keys are not found. So we create again, create again this dictionary, can print another value associated with the key Mia, because Mia is not found and we have set a default value for not found in this get method. So this time the value not found has been printed out. You can also use nested get method for nested dictionary. We create a nested dictionary. So we see this dictionary. For each key, the value is also a dictionary with 2 key value pairs for the age and gender for each people. The next can use get Wilson, then is a default value for an empty dictionary if the value for this key is not found in the dictionary. Then if it is found, then we can next use another get for the key age. So the result is also 32 printed out. Another example for using the get is that you can sort a list of dictionaries according to some keys. For example, we create a list of dictionaries. You can see this list contains 3 dictionaries, and for each dictionary there are 2 key value pairs for the name and age for this person. Then, for example, say we will sort this list item, sort each dictionary by the value of age. So we can write this dictionary dot sort method. Then inside the sort method, we set a key. The key is for the sort, and the value for the key is a lambda function. Inside the lambda function, the argument is item, and the Python will pass this dictionary to this item, to this argument. And this argument's statement for the function is a get method for this dictionary. So this lambda function will return the value of the age. The lambda function will return the value of the age and to assign to the key. So this key will be used as the criteria for the sort function of this dictionary. So you can see now the list of dictionaries has been sorted from the age youngest to the oldest. And the difference between Python dictionary get method and dict keys. So we can set dictionary for the course with 2 key value pairs, language and fee. Then we can next print out the information using the value for the duration, because duration is not found in this dictionary. But if we use get method, so the result will be none. Duration is none. But if we use dictionaries bracket with the key, the result is a key error, because duration is not found as the key in this dictionary. Thanks for watching.